Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning students. In this video session, I would like to continue about our human physiology unit. In that human physiology unit, the second chapter, breathing and exchanging of gases. Already in the previously in the videos, first chapter digestion and absorption process completed. Next, this breathing and exchanging of the gases, it deals about respiratory system and mechanism of respiration of human beings. Because of in 10th standard you are all studied life process activities of organisms, nothing but human beings also. Okay, so in the second one, breathing is a very essential step in the life surviving. So in this video I would like to continue these respiratory system and mechanism of respiration. Let me start today video session. Sinona, breathing and exchanging of gases are respiratory system, mechanism of respiration. Here beginning of these chapter I would like to say some of the introduction of significance of the respiration. Now, if anybody asks one question to you, what you are doing, okay, maybe your answer, I am studying, or I am sleeping, like these type of answers will be come by the several people, okay. But there is no one is not yet saying these answer. Now I am saying that answer, I am breathing. This is a very essential work. Unknowingly it is happen in our body, correct na? We never concentrate on that breathing activity, okay. We does not remember that work. Sir, at the time of meditation time, only the people who are doing the meditation, those people will be concentrate on their breathing. That is only one of the step in the meditation. Okay, now the concept is not yet regarding to the meditation. I am start about breathing process. Okay, why I said this means the breathing or respiration is a very important work. Whether you are sleeping, we are all are sleeping, or normal work, continuously it will happen from the birth to up to death. That much of significant work we forget. Unknowingly it is happened. So when you are controlling of your breathing, or when you are conscious about our respiration mechanism, we are a safe zone. But unfortunately in the busy life we are surviving without conscious about regarding breathing. So come to the point, this respiration is a catabolic process. At the beginning of our human physiology chapters, I said one thing. Here some of the metabolic activities are happened in our body. Okay, are living organisms. That metabolic process are maybe two types. One is anabolic, another one is a catabolic. Anabolic means, what is the meaning? It is a constructive, a smaller things are combined to each other to form the big things. Nothing but constructive. That is an anabolic process. Catabolic mean a bigger molecules, big things are destroying or break down to form the simple things, simple form, that is called catabolic process. Nothing but one more time I am giving the example. Photosynthesis is an anabolic process. In the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and then water molecules are combined to each other, and then it will form the complex molecule of carbohydrate. Okay, that will become a starch. That is not a matter. But here the bigger molecules are break down into the small molecules. Okay, small things. So that is a catabolic process. Here I given the one of the quotation of a respiratory system. What is that quotation of mean? Here your calorie burner and energy provider. What I am telling here, the digestive system, end of the digestive system videos, I said what type of food we are taken, by that food how much calories we are getting. Carbohydrates and then proteins are 1 gram of the carbohydrate, 1 gram of proteins are producing the 4.0 kilocalories, and fat producing the 9.0 kilocalories. So that is the energy. We are taking the chemical. We are taking the chemical energy. That chemical energy is converted into the mechanical energy when we are doing work. That will be in the form of the ATP. Okay, so whatever it is, here the concept is our food is in the form of the calories. They are giving the calories energy. That calories onwards it will converted into the energy provider. That energy only in the advanced organisms in the form of the ATP, adenosine triphosphate. End of these class in this video I will tell. Okay, now come to the continuation. Here release of energy mostly by the oxidation of food. How energy is releasing? Here what type of food we ate, that food by the presence of the oxidation, it will be produce the energy. Okay, now you got idea. Then finally when the food is oxidized, it will produce the metabolic water. Metabolic water is an end product in the burning of calories. If the calories are burning time, finally end product water will be liberated. Okay, so that is how you should be remember. Maybe some of the basic questions. And then respiratory organs of different organisms. Here based on their surroundings, where they are located, based on that different organisms are having the different organs for respiratory function. Okay, see here gills. When you heard it, these gill word, that gill word indicates which of the organisms are located in the aquatic media. Such organisms are having the gills. Okay, and this time I will be say one of the information also. Gill respiration is a counter current manner. Counter current manner mean instead of the gills, blood direction, in which place onwards they are taking, I mean water media, water flow direction always in the opposite direction. Such a mechanism we call the counter current. Counter means opposite. Okay, reverse way. Okay, so that is you know what is the meaning of the counter. Okay, see here aquatic animals are having the gills. So by the gills presence they are doing the gills respiration. And then body wall, some of the organisms by the body wall itself they are respirate. For example, lower organisms, nothing but amoeba. Take it amoeba as an example. Amoeba body totally contain the single cell. That single cell wall, cell wall ille, cell membrane is a playing important role in the exchanging of the gases. Okay, and some of the advanced, comparing the protozoans, some of the invertebrate animals, moisture body wall also play an important role in the respiration. That is a earthworm. Earthworm body always should be as a wet condition, moisture. If you are remove the wet on the surface of the earthworm will die. Okay, without wetness earthworm cannot respiration, so respirate. So body wall, moisture body wall also play an important role in the respiration. Okay, by how it will be respirated, that is by the simple diffusion. Here more oxygen is present in atmosphere. From the atmosphere high partial pressure of oxygen onwards, inside of the body of organism not yet have oxygen, so they are exchanging by the in the form of the simple diffusion manner. And some of the organisms are having the tracheal system. Already you heard this one. Okay, direct supplying of oxygen to the directly to the tissue. there is no any mediator. So here I want to explain one thing, which of the organisms in their body blood does not having any respiratory pigment, those organisms are having these tracheal system, like nothing but insect. Cockroach having the tracheal respiration, because of cockroach does not have any respiratory pigment. Okay, that is one of the reason. And book lungs, okay, the shape of the lungs open book madri. So book lungs we seen in the spider and scorpion. Arthropoda belongs to arthropoda organisms, but they are separated track. So here book lungs are present in the spider and scorpion. And lungs is a very essential and very advanced respiratory organs, which of the organisms are adapted to the terrestrial life survivability. Those organisms are having the lungs. These and all we know. Now I want to tell, in this time I want to tell one more additional important of the birds respiration. Here birds also having lungs only. Along with the lungs, they are having some of the air sacs, that's called, we call as air sacs. That air sacs filling the air when they are resting condition. When it is flying time, that filled air in the presence inside of air sacs, that will be utilizing in the flying condition. So continuous oxidation, and birds general characters explanation time I said, correct now? So recall that concept. Air sacs are play an important role in the birds. Okay, see next one, some of the additional information here. Homeostasis, I mean maintenance of the equilibrium. What substance is equilibrium? Oxygen and carbon dioxide equilibrium inside of our body. It is under controlling by the respiratory rhythmic center. Okay, here how much oxygen want to take, how much carbon dioxide want to release, how much is present. So based on the volume of oxygen and carbon dioxide, maintenance of their homeostasis requirement quantity, that controlling by the respiratory center. And then inhalation and exhalation, nothing but breathing process under controlling of the medulla oblongata in the brain part, correct now? Then rate of and depth of the breathing. Rate means for 1 minute how many times you are respirated, and then depth of breathing, how much forcibly you are breathing. Okay, forcibly you are releasing the air from the body. So such a things, rate of breathing and depth of breathing, it is controlling by the pneumotoxic center of the fans varoli. Pneumotoxic center, these three things you should be remember, Nana. Respiratory rhythmic center, and then medulla oblongata, and then pneumotoxic center is present in the fans varoli. P varoli I wrote, P varoli. Okay, see fans varoli, these and all are to regulate the our breathing mechanism, respiratory function. Okay, got it now? Then one of the disease, one more time I will be say disorders of the respiratory system, but here one of the situational disease of regarding to the respiration, that is a mountain sickness. Already you heard in the 10th standard and 9th standard time. What is the mountain sickness mean? When you went to any high altitude places, any person is went to high altitude, when we are climbing the mountains, on that situation we are going from the up levels from the sea surface, seashore, correct now? Sea levels onwards we are going to upwards. It will be indicates low oxygen condition, low partial pressure of oxygen. Okay, due to that one we are felt something inconvenience in the breathing. Such a condition we call as a mountain sickness. In the people who are ascending the mountains, those people are face the mountain sickness due to the low partial pressure of oxygen in the high altitudes. Okay, that we know. From the sea surface onwards, if you go upwards, that will be low partial pressure of oxygen. That we have some idea. Here along with that I will be recalling these concepts in the end of these chapter. Okay, and then rib cage and diaphragm, how we are respiring. Okay, how we are respiring. Some of the mammals, they are having the rib cage and lungs. Because of lungs are present inside of rib cage. I mean lungs protected by the rib cage. Below the lungs and stomach above the stomach we have the one thick membrane. That membrane is called as a diaphragm. Okay, pointer place for in rib cage and diaphragm, they are having the some of the significant muscles. That muscles oftenly situationally they are contract and relaxation, that will be helping in the breathing process, breathing. Okay, and then a man cannot hold his breath for a long. Of course, in this time I will be tell one of the example. That example I think you are already practiced, okay, but should not practice regularly. When we are childhood, what we will do, take it one cover and cover the total head and close our head, okay, and tightly cover will be close it. Okay, we inhale breathing with that polythene cover. After few seconds, okay, within 1 minute or 2 minutes, our breathing will be interrupting, correct now? So fastly will we reveal out that plastic cover and then we start deep breathing, correct now? Because of we does not maintain, we should not hold our breathing a long time. Okay, but some of the organisms, which of the organisms are present in the deep sea levels, those organisms want to maintain the holding of their breathing, that must be necessary. So that's why I recall here in the elephant seal can able to remain the breathing process under the water up to 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. In the National Geographic channels, any Discovery channels, observing the some of the documentaries, in the sea documentaries, whales, these and all elephant seals are come out from the depth of the sea and then come to the water surface area, and then at a time they will be release the carbon dioxide. On that time water will be in the form of the fountain madri. Okay, water will be dispatched by the fountain madri. So forcibly carbon dioxide released. At a time they will be inhale a fuse quantity of the oxygen and then they will enter into the deep sea level. So up to 2 hours they can able to migrate. So lot of oxygen they will be breathe in the at a time, and then they hold the breathing process up to 2 hours. Okay, that is. But what is the reason? What is the reason means such a type of organisms in their muscles they are having the one of the respiratory pigment, that is myoglobin. In our body also myoglobin is there. In which place theriyumanna? Heart muscles are having the myoglobin, that we called as a red muscles. In the structural organization of organisms, animals time, different type of tissues discussion time, different type of epithelial tissues, connective tissue and muscle tissue time I said heart muscle had containing with the myoglobin. Because of from the birth to up to death, these heart muscles want to function it, so they need continuous oxygen supply. So these myoglobin hold it the oxygen as a long time, then it will be supplying that oxygen to the tissues appropriate functionate system. So here these myoglobin is giving to the oxygen supply at the time of when the elephant seals aquatic organisms level of sea levels. Okay, right, that is about myoglobin we call as a muscle hemoglobin also. Okay, then now come to the our topic. Up to now what I said, some of the introduction information about respiration or breathing, exchanging of gases topic. See, respiration and its type. Here all the living cells need to constant supply of energy. Here whether you are sleeping, whether we are all are sleeping or doing anything function, our cells require something energy. Maybe when we are doing work, our cells require the more energy. When we are sleeping time, it needs a little quantity of energy. So always they need the energy. For what purpose? Always our cells are doing the something metabolic activities. Okay, so that metabolic activity functioning wise, they need energy supply. How that energy is producing? Energy is producing by the oxidation of micromolecules. Micromolecules means after digestion of food items, micromolecules are there. One is a glucose, second one is amino acids, next fat content food that digested glycerol and fatty acids that will be oxidized in the presence of the oxygen. So in the continuation of the second column, I mentioned that how the oxidation process. Okay, then digested food. What is the digested food? Through the blood circulation, it will be reach the cells. We are taking the oxygen by the breathing process, inhalation. What we take in the oxygen, that oxygen through the blood transport, that also will be reach the cells. So nutrients reach the cells places, tissue places, and oxygen also reach the tissue. So that digested food in the presence of the oxygen oxidized, and then they are producing the energy and carbon dioxide water. That water we call as a metabolic water. At the beginning of this video, first column, second line, that only the releasing time, end product what it is, metabolic water. See, here energy will produce, carbon dioxide will produce, and water. That released carbon dioxide mixing in the water, they are forming into the carbonic acid H2CO3. Okay, see, now in this time several people are having something confusion between two steps of breathing, external respiration and internal respiration. Basically, respiration is differ from breathing. Okay, breathing is one of the part in the respiration. Respiration having the 5 steps. Okay, respiration not only breathing. After breathing of oxygenated gas, then it want to continue transportation, exchanging of different places, and then finally it will produce the energy. The total steps we call as a respiration. In that respiration, one of the step is breathing. So here I mentioned 2 words. One is external respiration, another one is internal respiration. External respiration we call as a ventilation, nothing but taking of oxygen and releasing of carbon dioxide. See, gases exchange between the surroundings to the inside. Okay, that is called gases exchange. Okay, that is called gases exchange. That gases exchange also called as a ventilation. That only here another way I explained. Inhaled into the lungs, gases inhaled into the lungs and exhaled out the lungs. That process we call as a breathing. That process also called as a ventilation. That only here any critical condition of the one patient, doctors are supplying the ventilation air supplying by the ventilation process. So they are wantedly by the using of some machine, they are sending to injected to the oxygen and removing the carbon dioxide. Then that is not a end. Our body cells, that patient body cells taking that oxygen and then sending to the different, through the blood circulation, sending to the total body parts. Then body parts itself, it start the, what I said here, digested food oxidation is there now. That process is done in the tissue levels. So chemical breakdown of the food, of the nutrients occurs inside of the living cells. Such a process, internal respiration. So external respiration, internal respiration. External respiration only tells about the breathing. Internal respiration tells about breakdown of our digested food. Okay, in the presence of the oxygen. That is over. Now here breakdown of the food items are 2 ways. One is the anaerobic respiration, another thing aerobic respiration. So here the breakdown of the nutrients or digested food in the presence of the oxygen or without oxygen presence. Okay, without oxygen. Based on that, here if oxygen is not yet available, some of the lower organisms or some of the muscles, some situations of our muscles, it will show the anaerobic respiration. In the 10th standard already you got it, this concept. Okay, anaerobic respiration without oxygen or low oxygen condition, incomplete breakdown of organic molecules, incomplete. So that's why finally they are producing the very less energy. This type of respiration we see in the yeast and bacteria and some of the muscles. Muscles, when it will show means continuous working with our skeletal muscles. Okay, skeletal muscles. For example, when I take one dumbbell and rapidly I am doing the exercise, so what we intaking the oxygen is not sufficient to that muscle, so oxygen deficiency happened inside of the muscle. So on that time also anaerobic respiration is a chances. This is a equation of anaerobic respiration. C6H12O6 glucose, it is a lack of sufficient oxygen. First it will convert into the pyruvic acid. That pyruvic acid again it will be converted into the ethyl alcohol, nothing but ethanol, and then carbon dioxide and 2 ATPs. How many ATPs are producing? 2 ATPs. Beginning of this video I said one thing, ATP is the energy sources, so that 2 ATPs will produce. As the same way, such a thing yeast and bacteria we see in such a type of mechanism. But in the muscles, this pyruvic acid converted into the lactic acid, along with the lactic acid 2 molecules of ATP, 2 ATPs will produce. So very less ATP. But now come to the next continuation. But here aerobic respiration in the presence of the oxygen. When the oxygen is available, our food particles or everything will be completely break down and then give the a fuse amount of the energy, ATPs. See, that only here I mentioned C6H12O6, and in the presence of the oxygen and then water molecules, they are giving the 36 ATPs. See now how much drastic variation we seen in the energy producing. Anaerobic respiration time very less amount of energy, 2 ATPs, here 36 ATPs. That is a more variation. Okay, so aerobic respiration is very essential to the organisms. Okay, see here, because of we have the multi number of cells, so multi number of cells requires the more energy. So these process totally completed by the 3 steps. That 3 steps name itself I will say, but mechanisms and everything we will get it in botany chapters. Here this is aerobic respiration done in the process of glycolysis, Krebs and electron transport. One of the link reaction in between the glycolysis and Krebs also is there. You will get it in clarity in the continuation videos of in the botany. So here glycolysis done in the place of the cytosol. In the inside of the cell, cytoplasm is there now, the watery fluid. In that glucose will be converted into the pyruvic acid. Such a process glycolysis. Then that glycolysis end, what it will produce? Pyruvic acid. That pyruvic acid entering into the mitochondria. Cytosol only several cell organelles are there now. Inside of the mitochondria, Krebs cycle electron transport is completed. The end of the electron transport, it will produce the 36 ATPs. This is the introduction of breathing and exchanging of gases. Still we are not yet enter into the our human respiratory system. So next I will continue next video I will continue regarding the human respiratory system. Okay, that is a continuation video.